Hi, this is Kelly with Priority Physical Therapy. We've addressed and done a video on postural stretches and postural strengthening, and now I want to talk about how the neck's involved with posture. So when we sit into that slouch position, watching TV, watching the computer, we get a lot of compression through that upper cervical spine and the neck, and it allows all these muscles in the front to become tight. So like my last video, work on posture and trying to get things aligned. In this position, I want to show you a cervical or neck retraction. So I'll have people make an L with their fingers, and you're just going to draw your chin towards your throat, working on kind of the mobility of the neck and movement. The other one you can do, as we start getting tight, the neck wants to look up, just do a little chin tuck where you're drawing the neck down and back, or you can kind of combine them together. The car is a great place to do this because you can do the headrest behind your head. So if you're waiting on kids or you're waiting on a stop sign, stoplight, you can do that there. If that gets pretty easy, the next advanced one will be to lay on your back on a pillow and work on tucking down, support yourself up, hold there, then try to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you do that, try not to let any other muscle help. You want to think about just those deep neck muscles, and you should have minimal involvement of the neck. Mine's gonna fire pretty big because I'm a little weak here. We'll work up to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Work up to 10 of those a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me, and have a good day.